Hello, my name is Melissa Blanford. I'm a registered dietitian and I work as the Director of Medical Affairs for tube feeding at Nutrition North America. Today, I'm going to show you how to administer real food blends using the slow push method with a 60 cc syringe. One thing to note if you're using an extension set is that there are two types of extensions, a right angle extension set and a bolus extension set. When administering real food blends as a bolus feeding, you want to make certain that you are using the bolus extension set, not the right angle set. The most recent research suggests 15 to 30 minutes to administer a bolus feeding. When we think about bolus, it should be slow, not fast and furious. Let's think about this for a minute. When you have an 8-ounce smoothie, you typically drink it slowly. Sometimes if you drink it too quickly, you may experience GI discomfort. And the same is true with bolus interval feeding. When administering real food blends, you want to knead the pouch because it is food. If using the syringe method, your clinician will tell you if you need an entire pouch or a portion of a pouch. One pouch of real food blends has a volume of 8 ounces and is 9.4 ounces in weight. If using an entire pouch, you may want to have 4 syringes available, or you can reuse the same syringe. Open the pouch and draw 4 syringes of real food blends. Then you simply put the syringe into the feeding tube and slowly push. Remember that the research suggests 15 to 30 minutes for a feeding, so that's about 5 minutes per syringe. I hope this video demonstrates how easy it is to administer real food blends using the bolus method. If you use a Bolus bag or pump, be sure to watch our additional videos.